Today I'm going to make a quick chia seed pudding. I'll show you how to do it. It's very simple. To actually make it doesn't take any time at all, but it needs to set up in the fridge. That takes a few hours to overnight, depends. So you need to make it ahead of time if you want to have it at a certain time. It's not something you can just make and eat it right then. You have to let it sit. The chia seeds absorb the liquid and they form a kind of a gel, like a thickener type consistency, and it's really good. And I'm going to read here off my computer the health benefits. Chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and antioxidants. So they can help with heart health, blood sugar management, and digestive health. And I buy them in bulk at Sprouts. It's a store that sells items with, in those bins that you scoop out yourself. And so they're sold by weight. And go ahead and take a look at this easy chia seed pudding recipe I'm going to do. It's so simple. And see if you want to give it a whirl yourself, or maybe you've made it before. This is a easy chia seed pudding recipe, and it basically takes 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, which I buy in bulk and put in these little bags. They're kind of a pain to get out, but anyway, it's 2 tablespoons, and I'm just going to mix them in the bowls that I'm going to use. Should be 1 tablespoon. And then to make life a little easier, I'm going to use this bigger bag that I just bought. It's not big, but it's got more in it. So I'll just make 1 bowl full and show you. So 2 tablespoons. And this is per serving, so 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1/2 cup of almond milk, or you could probably use regular milk or oat milk, coconut milk, whatever you want. So I'm going to pour this in here. And if you've ever messed with chia seeds before, cooked with them, then you'll know that they puff up. They're like magic little seeds. And it's like, I don't know how that works, if they soak up the liquid or what, but they expand. So I'm just gonna stir it a little bit, and then I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes, and I'll come back and stir it some more. Okay, I took the opportunity to go ahead and deal with that little baggie of chia seeds, and look at all this chia seeds stuck to my spoon. So I have both of my bowls going here. And I'm just going to stir them each again. It gets really, those are, if you can see the clumps here, that is the chia seeds expanding, and they need to soak in the fridge for at least 2 hours, or even overnight is fine. That's why I did 2 of these. I will have 1 today, and then I'll have 1 ready, and I can eat it tomorrow. And I will show you what it looks like after it's been in the fridge and set up. These little seeds are kind of amazing. The chia seed pudding has been in the fridge all afternoon, and I'm going to take off the cling wrap that I put on, and it's a little wobbly still. Sometimes it sets up better than this. Maybe I used too much milk. Anyway, I'm going to put some blueberries, these are frozen blueberries, on here, and just try a bite. It's still a little bit thin. It tastes good. So I'm going to try another bite. And I think this has to be in the fridge a little bit longer. It's still pretty runny. It should be thicker. But it's good. The pudding itself doesn't have much flavor. Down here at the bottom, it's a little thicker. Not quite so runny. But the blueberries give it a nice flavor. I'm going to have one more bite. But it's very good. And I wanted to let you know that the chia seeds for 2 tablespoons, which is what I put in each bowl, has 6 grams of protein. So I'm trying to up my protein. And this is a good way to get a little dessert option and have some protein. So that's a win-win. So what do you think? Will you try making some chia seed pudding, or have you made it before? Do you like it? I'm trying to replace some of my sweets with something like this that is better for me and not full of sugar. And 2 tablespoons of chia seeds has about 140 calories, and you'd have to add in the milk that I used also, the almond milk. So it's not bad, you know, and it's nutritious, good for you, and I enjoyed the little bowl that I just had. It's very satisfying. So let me know if you'll be making this, or if you've made it before, or how you use chia seeds. It's a different type of, food. I didn't grow up eating chia seed pudding. I don't know about you. I didn't even know what chia seeds were until, probably 10 years ago. I don't know. But they're also good in smoothies. They make it thicker, for sure. Lots of different options, I'm sure. I haven't used them in a lot of different ways, but I'd love to hear how you use chia seeds, or if you have never tried them or what. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time.